And now he became like Amitabh Bachchan. So friends, those who are still confusing yourself, please go back to the history. You cannot hide it. Go back to the history and join with us the celebration we are going to conclude in December 2022. So friends, I don't want to talk much. I'm so happy today we are able to collect ourselves over here. As already mentioned by Honorable Home Minister Barumboy, day one when the government was formed, some section of people say that time, this government is not even temporary, not even ad hoc. It is the government of contractual basis, which may last maybe 3 months, which may last maybe within 1 year. But by the grace of Almighty, let me tell you friends, in spite of challenges, in spite of odds, under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, we are as we are today. Change has taken place. That time when we go back to 2018 slogan, during the general election, the citizens of the state says, the slogan says, we want change. We want to see change take place, not only in urban area. Change has to start from the remotest area, from rural area. And now it happened.